f60 or knight f4? I mean, for the score. You know what I'm saying? Knight f4 for the score. This should be 5 in real life.
Damn.
I mean, it's
he's getting beaten. He's getting rapped on.
It's nothing.
Like, not having the best of days.
Oh, so.
Oh. Canty.
What's wrong with him?
Haven't you been teaching him better than
Salty,
that?
what's wrong with you, bro? What? Salty, come here, bro. Come here, talk to me, bro. Do you need? We got people for this, bro.
He needs a mentor.
We can get you a number to call. You know what I'm saying? You need to call this number, okay? Don't do this, Salty. These people watching this.
That's embarrassing.
Bro, we got people watching this. It's 1,000 people on stream right now. You know what I'm saying, Salty? What's wrong, bro? Let's get this off the screen, bro.
Please.
Goodness.
Yeah.
I gotta go use. I mean,
I wouldn't even blame Canty if he didn't return. You know? After that, wouldn't blame him if he never came back.